Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the immediate area so you can handle cables safely. Once done, group power versus data cables to avoid interference and label each group for quick reconnection. Make initial coils of excess length and secure them with temporary ties. This reduces tension and reveals routing options. As you work, keep the cable tidy, within reach, and position the power strip, where it balances access and concealment while maintaining airflow for devices. Now route each labeled bundle along the planned paths, threading them through the cable tidy channel to create a clean line. Make sure to separate power and data runs inside the tidy to minimize noise. This is why grouping earlier matters. Anchor the tidy to the surface at roughly 6 to 12-inch intervals so it stays flush and prevents sagging. If a cable is tight, add a small loop to relieve stress and protect connectors from strain over time. Finish by trimming excess zip ties and clipping the cable tidy covers in place so nothing slips out. Reconnect devices one at a time and test functionality as you go to catch issues early. Once you confirm everything works, tidy visible labels and tuck the power strip into its final position. If you spot interference, intermittent drops, or noise, make sure to separate the offending cable from power lines and reroute it through a different channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.